Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. Today I'm out with my friend Gadget's Adventures. We're in the Middle Creek area of the Jefferson National Forest, just outside of Arcadia in Botetourt County, Virginia. We start out on an unsigned but blue-blazed connector trail that links us to the Appalachian Trail. From there, it's a very short distance to the shelter. AT shelters are rarely more than 3 walls and a roof, but the one at Bryant Ridge stands out. Come along as we go have a look. Please be sure to check out Gadget's Adventures channel as well. There'll be a link down below. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the trail.